Welcome. This session we talk about the GATE 2025 question, which is on trusses, identifying zero force members. So you may visit my previous videos on how to identify zero force members in a truss, which will make you understand this solution in a better way. Okay. Right. Now you can see this question. In the pin jointed truss shown in the figure, the members that carry zero force are identified. Which of the following options is or zero force members? Okay, right. So you see this structure. Now you need to identify the zero force members. You see the options. You need, in this case, you need to go by the options elimination process. Otherwise, it will take little longer to go by first identifying zero force members in the truss and then look for the answer. Okay. So we go in a reverse way here. Like you see the options here. So these are the identified members as he said here. See, the members that carry zero force are identified. So these are the identified members, okay, by the examiner. Which of the following are actually the zero force members? Among these four, only some members are correct and some members are not correct. Okay, so that you need to look at it. So let us go by BC. Okay, this is BC. You see this vertical member, the vertical member there is BC. Okay, this member is BC, right? So now this member, you need to look for the conditions for zero force members. Condition 1 and 2, there will be two conditions which I have given in my previous videos. Just go through them. Now you see the joint B or joint C, you need to look at it. If you see joint B, there are four members, so there is no such condition available for four members. Now go to joint C. Okay, so now you have only three members at this joint. Out of these three, okay, that goes to condition number 2. Okay, so out of the three members, two members are collinear, they are in line. The third member, force is 0 if there is no point load applied at joint C. So no load, three members, no load, and two members are collinear. Third member force is 0. So BC is zero force member. Okay. Now coming to EG, you see EG, this member is EG here, this member. Okay. Now you see joint E or joint G, there is no condition that you can apply here because the members are nor 2, neither 2 nor 3. Okay, same here. So 1, 2, 3 members at this 1, 2, 3 members at this joint. Okay, so out of these four members, there is no such condition exists for four members. Okay, so and Fi, you see Fi, either joint F or I doesn't suit for any of these conditions. Like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 members are present here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 members are present at this joint. So no such condition available for identifying these two as zero members. So this cannot be a zero force member. This cannot be identified, right? These two can't be identified. Coming to JK, this JK, either joint J or joint K, you need to look at it. Joint J, number of members 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 members. Number of members at joint K, 1, 2, 3 members. Okay. Now out of 3, 2 are collinear. no load at all, and this third force member is 0. That means JK member force is 0. So among the identified 4 members by the examiner, 2 members are zero force members. There are other zero force members present in the structure, but your answer is only these 2 members. Now just to now progress from the solution, just to continue further one step, let us identify zero force members in this truss. So you see giant A, there are only 2 members, no load at all, condition number 1. This is 0, this is 0. Giant H, this is 0, this is 0. And giant D, there are 3 members, 2 are collinear inline, there is no load, third member force is 0. Likewise, you can go on identify zero force members. But in the given options, these members are not present. That's why your answer is member BC among the identified members and JK. This is your answer. See how this knowing these two conditions will help you the answering the question on any of the trusts given in the GATE examination or in any competitive examination, right? Thank you.